Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 20, 5.20, need for type conversions. As you know, in Python, every every data element is an object. That means Python programs deal only with objects. Every object is having its data type. For example, we have defined age 20. In other languages, explicitly we have to define data type. In Python, we need not define data type, and depending on the value we assign, the data type is determined by Python. Now, whenever we write this type of code, immediately it should be picturized in our brain how it is. It is an object. This is the real object. 20 is stored. It is a reference variable. What it is object reference. This is object reference variable or simply variable. It is having its name. This picture should be formed in your brain. Now, how the type is defined? Now 20 we have given, as it is int. Its type is int. That's it. Okay. So, data type plays a vital role in our program. What is the role of data type? Actually, data type mainly defines two things. Data type determines which type of value is stored. The type of value is determined by the data type. Or in this case, the value we assign determines the data type. Okay, you can understand in both ways. The second one is which type of operations can be performed on that object. So, with reference to this example, we see now int. With reference to int data type, which type of values this object can hold? This object can hold only whole numbers either positive, negative or 0. So, the nature of the values are defined by the data type. That is the number one. The second one is the type of operations which can be performed on the data type, also defined by the data type. So, always remember the 2 points. A data type determines the nature of value an object can store. Second one is the types of operations which can be allowed on that. As far as int type is concerned, which type of operations are allowed? Arithmetic operations, relational or comparison operations, logical operations, and bitwise operations can be performed on int. Let us take float. Float represents a real value, means always a fractional value is there. That's why it is called a real value. Okay, and which operations can be performed on that? We can perform arithmetic operations, relational or comparison operations, logical operations, but we cannot perform bitwise operation. That point you remember. For the sake of continuation or integrity, one more data type we take, that is Boolean data type. As far as Boolean data type is concerned, only two values are there. What are the two values? Either true and false. Only two values. On that, which operations you can perform? Only logical operations you can perform. You cannot perform other arithmetic or relational operations on that. Okay, only arithmetical bitwise operations we cannot perform. You can perform relational logical operations on both. So, this very core point you must remember. And here, in some programming situations, data type should be converted That means on the demand of program, we have to convert the data type. Actually, one or two examples I give you, thereafter I give you a demo program. By that you can understand. Actually, we get to data is input. Enter is. Okay. Then as you entered, in response to this, you entered 20. Then 20 is stored in this object. 20 is stored in which format? As a string. As a string. Why? Input function takes any data and converts as a string. That means you may give 20, it is converted as a string. You give age, this is converted as a string. You give 22.5, this is also converted as a string. Anything you give, then that will be converted as a string. So, okay, now you want to display it. If you want to display age 20, no problem, by using print function, you can display it. But when problem comes means, if we have to perform any arithmetical operations or logical operations or bitwise operations, the problem will come. Suppose this year this person's age is 20. Next year one year is added. So this is 20. Then plus 1 you cannot make. Plus 1 you cannot make. If you make it, it is concatenated as a that is not, you are not expecting it. So what should be done? This should be, the wrapper is there, it should be removed and original value should come. For that different ways are there. The type the string should be converted as a int. The string should be converted as a int, then it is possible. So for that purpose, what we do? Int input, then whatever you write, then it is converted as int. Then in the age, here you are writing age. In this earlier string was stored, now int was stored. The same logic is applicable for floats and other data types also. And sometimes you expect one type of result, but by default different type of result is generated. In such cases also we have to make the type conversions case by case, depending on our requirement we have to decide.